Are you still running your operations on paper? Let's talk about a smarter way to work.
Yeah, if this scene looks familiar, you know the pain. It's really holding you back.
All that manual work, it just means delays, mistakes, and you can't see what's happening.
Okay, it's time to go digital. That's where a solution like SFDP comes in.
So what exactly is SFDP? It's a framework built on 4 key pillars of excellence.
Let's break it down. Pillar number 1 is that it's just super easy to deploy.
It just fits right in. You get value fast without messing up your current workflow.
All right, pillar number 2. It has to be user-friendly. Your team needs to actually use it.
The whole point is, it's so simple that your team can get started on day 1.
But what happens when you grow? That brings us to pillar 3. SFDP is totally scalable.
So whether you've got 1 site or 100, you're still in complete control. Simple.
And that brings us to our final pillar, adaptability. Your business is unique, right?
Well, SFDP is flexible enough to handle pretty much anything your operation throws at it. So, you put all 4 pillars together, and what do you get? A truly trustworthy platform. You get way more visibility, accountability, and of course, a huge boost in efficiency.
Basically, you stop guessing and start making decisions based on actual real-time data.
So, is it time to finally ditch the paper? Choosing SFDP is choosing a smarter future.